Hey, it's Chase. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up and slow down footage. Here I have a short clip of a fight scene from a popular YouTuber. Let's say we want to slow it down a little bit. We can do this in several different ways. The first way is to right-click the media you'd like to slow down and click Speed and Duration. A new window will open up with different settings. You can change the speed directly, or how long you want it to last if you need specific timings. There are also options to reverse the video, keep the pitch of the video, and ripple edit, which basically means that if you have media after this media in the timeline, it'll shift all of that media to the end of the media you're slowing down or speeding up. We'll come back to the time interpolation setting. The next method is using the rate stretch tool. You can press this button to the left of the timeline, or just press R. This can be easier than the previous method, but you also have less control over it. This means you cannot decide whether the pitch stays the same, or control the exact duration of the media. When manipulating the speed of a video, it's important to know the video's frames per second. You can see this by right-clicking a video and clicking Properties. It'll be shown right here. The more frames per second the video has, the slower you can make the video while maintaining a smooth look. Alright, now let's go over the time interpolation settings. This basically changes how each frame leads to the next. Frame sampling, the default setting, is when it goes from one frame to the next, with no sort of transition. Frame blending is exactly how it sounds. Each frame blends into the next frame. Last but not least, we have Optical Flow. Optical Flow sort of merges the next frame into the next, and does a lot of guessing. If we're looking for smooth transitions between frames, Optical Flow can do the job well, but its guessing can mess up from time to time, and can leave some nasty looking visual effects. When you select Optical Flow, you'll notice that nothing will happen other than this red bar appearing above your timeline. This is because in order to preview Optical Flow, you'll need to render it. This means that it needs to work a little harder than the other effects, and that it needs a little bit of time to show you the result. You can begin rendering the effect by pressing Enter. If you only want to see how a small segment of the video looks with Optical Flow, you can press I where you want the preview to begin, and O where you want your preview to end while on your timeline. That's all I have now for video time manipulation. Let me know if you have any other video ideas. I like making these short little videos. See ya!